I just finished making this comb for a customer of mine. This may be the last comb I make of this type because it takes forever. This thing here is a Delrin, a DuPont material, plastic material, very stable, very hard rubber. And I machine it on a CNC machine. I've got a CNC machine in my workshop, and it took me a long time to program it. And you can see by the chambers, they're quite ornate here. The actual machining does take a long time, and it's on both sides. So anyone that's machined 3D and then tried to turn it over and machine it again 3D on a common datum will realise how hard this comb how long it takes to make and how hard it is to make. I've even machined in the sides here some little indents so that if your reeds are a little bit offset, they won't hit the ends, and it will give you quite a bit more space for the wind saver to go in. So it allows me really to sort of shift the plate around. So for the back, I engrave in there the vintage 64. I call it a vintage 64 because it's for the old 64 honers, the ones with the wooden comb. So this was a direct replacement for that. It's got brass inserts in the ends. It's drilled for screws. It takes about 3 different cutters to form the shapes of the chambers. There you can see them there. So it's probably going to be my last one I ever make, purely for the fact that it takes so long to make. It's uneconomical. I make them here in the shop, and you probably get, anyone who's done through CNC machining knows that sometimes the machines just go crazy, and I can machine this for about an hour, and then right at the last minute it will decide to take off and cut the whole comb in half. Drives me nuts. So I've decided that I may call this particular comb a day. This may be my last one, but there you have it. It's aircraft quality. It's absolutely spot on. It's made from a Delrin product, Delrin DuPont product. Very flat, very stable, and that's it. So bon voyage.